Welcome back to my channel. Hey. Hi. My name's Kaylah. Hi. Nice to meet you if we don't already know each other. Love that you clicked me. As you can tell by the title, this video is based on the Jaclyn Morphe Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. Bomb. Like, great job. Whoever is part of the team, Jaclyn, Morphe, whoever, y'all did amazing. The formula is great. The colors blend beautifully. I just love it, and there's so many different things you can do. Like, so many different looks. Like, when I saw this on Instagram, I was like, pretty sure this will be like my go-to palette for a while. I won't be surprised if I hit pan on some shades because it's bomb. But yes, I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to thumbs it up and to subscribe on my YouTube. Obviously, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media at kaylaharhnae. I have everything linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I will see you soon. Y'all, my eyebrows still haven't been done in like 5 months or so. Feels like 5-6 months. And they take a while to do. So I was just like, let me save you guys some time. So I apologize. If you wanted to see them, I could do them. But let's just say it wasn't easy. But, you know, anyways, just gonna go on with my day. I finally got the P. Louise base. I got the shade 3. And I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take a flat concealer brush and really like coat my brush with the base. And I'm pretty sure like you've heard of P. Louise, so if you haven't, girl. But I'm going to just put this all over my lid. I'm going to take a little brush and just blend this out, and I'm just going to really like pat it in. So I'm going to start off with the shade Living My Best right there. I'm just going to pack this like all over the lid. I'm literally patting it in and it's like blending itself. It's wild. That's insane. It's insane. So we have that all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in with Hard On, which is right next to it. It's another bright shade. I'm just going to take that on the tip of the brush. I'm very pigmented. And I'm just going to blend the edges of Living My Best. I'm just buffing that out. As you see, it's so pretty. Do you see that? Now I'm going to take Positivity, which is this shade right here. It's a bright like neon coral shade. And I'm going to blend that on top of what I just did. And I'm really just blending that in to the brow bone. So, love it already. But now it's time to cut the crease. So I'm going to take some P. Louise base and my brush that I used to prime my lids with. This is the writing's off of it, but it's a flat concealer brush. And I'm going to coat my brush in this. I'm going to take a skinny liner brush and just like really like sharpen that cut. So now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going back in with Living My Best, that first shade we used, and I'm going to deepen that cut crease. So I'm basically just going to put this right above where I cut my crease to give it more depth and to bring that color back. Taking another pencil brush and I'm taking Hard On right here, the second shade we used, and I'm just going to do the same thing and go over top of Living My Best. And then with the same brush we used Living My Best on the first time, I'm just putting this on the outer corner and blending that like that. Then going in with Hard On. Just a little bit. And then going back in with Positivity, the shade right here, this one. And I'm gonna diffuse that brow bone more. I'm taking Bougie right here. I'm gonna put that on my finger. And I'm gonna stamp that on my eyelid. That's wild. These shades are insane. Going back in with the same pencil brush with Living My Best and just cleaning up the crease. I'm just going to clean up my outer edges. I'm most likely going to speed up through the face since this look is based on the palette, which is the eyes, but you'll see what I'm doing. So I'm going to take the pencil brush. I take this shade Therapy Sesh, which is this neon purple. And I'm going to put that along my lower lash line. I'm going to take Positivity, that neon coral looking shade, and I'm going to blend that beneath Therapy Sesh. And then I'm going to take a definer brush. And I'm going to take Living My Best. And I'm going to take my definer brush and just stamp that on the base of my lash line. I'm going to take the Kiss lashes in the style 01_A. I don't want a super like dramatic lash because I want the shadow to pop. I do want to go over the lash band with a black liner just to mask that band some more. Then I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lash line. I'm lining my lips with Mahogany Lip Liner by NYX Cosmetics. Then I'm taking Kylie's lip gloss in Daddy's Girl. We're going to set the face with some MAC Fix Plus. Love it. Love it.